Hi everyone, welcome to another automation tutorial. In our last pin test automation tutorial, I got several feature requests like schedule pin, blog post link insertion in Pinterest, and pin size 9 into 16 ratio. Today I will cover all of this feature in our pin test automation video. Let's check this automation. In our first pin, we will create an pin that is not existing our Pinterest account. We have already 4 board based in the Thailand, based in Maldives, based in Malaysia, and Miami base. But we will create another board name which is based in Alabama. It will create new board when it create new pin. Okay, let's run. Okay, done. It's already completed our first pin. Let's check that account, refresh this. Yes, it has been created the new board and one pin, and this image size is 9x16 vertical size image. So let's create this automation from scratch. We can create new scenario. Okay, at first we'll connect this Google Sheet, search rows, spreadsheet ID, spreadsheet name Pinterest automation with free API. Pinterest automation with free API. Sheet name sheet 2. And we'll filter the status when pending, ordered by ID number, limit only 1. You can run. Okay, and now we will create this board name as a variable text. Set multiple variables. Board name. We can create our image. HTTP, make a request. URL, we will input this URL. Method post, header content type, then body type application field prompt will use our keyword as prompt, then API key, value. We'll use this option from our Hugging Face API settings access token, and we will create this API from this option, create new token, and already I have an API that you can copy this image size, vertical. Okay, it's creating the new image from our Google Sheet. Okay, perfect. It's now we need all board name from our account. To check that board name, if any of our board name that is not existing in our account, we will create new one. For that reason, we need board list boards. Okay, we can increase our limit. Text aggregator, source module Pinterest list board, by other, separator by comma, and we can use the board name. Okay, now we will create router option. First we will check if any of board name that is exist in our account, we will skip to create new board, and if any of board name that is not existing in our account, we will create new one. For this we will create board, and board name should be okay. We can we can set our label at first. Condition: if our board name if our board name is not exist, does not contain our board name, then it will run that board. Okay, and board name should be okay. We can save that option, and the second option, list board. Condition will be if the board equal to does contained contains board name, it will run this module. Okay, list boards, and we can limit 100 or 1000. Then we'll create the pin, create pin, image URL should be data, and board, we will create board section, create board ID. Title should be our keyword, description already we have created this, and link will be URL section. Okay, now we can update our Google Sheet. Sheet name, sheet 2, row number, and status should be done. Okay, now we can clone this module. List of board ID. Okay, we can run this module. Okay, it's working now. Our second pin already created. Let me check our pin now. Board name Maldives. This in Maldives. We have an issue to view the image. We can run this module again for our third pin. Already we have the board exists in our account, so it will activate this option. Now it's creating the image. Sometimes it takes more time to generate image. No worries at all. Sorry, this image is broken. Okay, let's try another image. It's an issue from the image generation. Sometimes it's occur this problem. If this if you face this type of issue, we can skip this and start with another one. It's not problem or automation process. Okay, the fourth image already has been created. Now let's check. Perfect, it's working now. So you can create unlimited pin from this automation process, from this module. If you now you can schedule from this option. If you publish pin after 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 45 minutes, you can set from this option and activate it. It will automatically post your Pinterest account. If you need more advanced Pinterest automation process, you can contact me. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful for you, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.